If we mimic the thing that others did and achieve great success, it will not work for us. Human dealings and success are all based on simple principles. These principles tell what to do and what not to do. But how to do it is up to us. You have to follow these principles, but not in the same way that others do. Life is like paper. And everyone has a very different question paper. And everyone has to solve his or her paper. The choices that others made and achieved tremendous success will not work for us. We are different, we have different circumstances. Our choices will produce very different results. So you have to understand the foundational rules for success. And start taking actions based on your own circumstances. The choices the others make may work for them, but they will not work for you.